Welcome back. We are here for another dance workshop all about learning our letter sounds. And to start us off today, we need to do a warm-up. So, I want you to take a big stance with your feet. Take a big stretch up to the ceiling and down. Big stretch and down. Good job, last one. Good, rub your hands together. Rub them really fast. And then rub them over your arms and your shoulders. Wake those shoulders up. And your chest. Good, and your tummies. Good job. And your backs. Good job, reaching round. Good, bottoms. Good, and your legs. All the way down, the front and the back. Good, don't forget your feet. Good job. Good, we'll wiggle those brains. Make sure we're all awake. Good. And wiggle those fingers up to the ceiling. Round. Let's go round in a circle with our shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. 6, 7, 8. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can we do this time? We go 1. Make a big stretch out and use our elbows as well. So we go round with our elbows. Good. And the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. We're going to imagine we've got a hula hoop around our waist. And we're going to go around one way and round the other way. Good. And faster one way. Super fast. And super fast over the other way. Good. I want you to imagine you're playing a circular piano. So a piano all the way around you in a circle and you're all standing in the middle. And I want you to twiddle those piano keys round. All the way around so you're twisting. Good. Keep it going. Round. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 4. Good job. Excellent. Let's do a little bit of a march on the spot. Good. So we want to get those arms moving as well. Keep those knees up nice and tall. Good. And let's go for a little march around our space and have a look around us to make sure that we have enough space to move. So if you are dancing with other people, make sure you have enough space. If you're dancing in your homes and your houses, make sure that you've moved anything out of the way that you think you might hit. So off we go. Coming back to the middle. Good, and we're going to run it on the spot for as fast as we can for 5 seconds. Are we ready? Are we steady? Off we go. We go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Good job. Okay, shall we see what our letters are today? Okay, I'm going to shuffle them up. Shuffle them up. Good. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Stopping on this one. This one here. Now, this one here we have. What letter do we have? Which one is it? Is it Good job. If that's what you said, it's eh. Well done. What have we got on this side? Does anybody know? This is a bit of a tricky one. What have we got? Have we got an envelope? We might send a special person around Christmas something in an envelope. I'm going to flip my card over because it's an... What can you see? What can you see? Is it an elephant? An elephant! Good job! I wonder if we could do some super special moves all about elephants. Are we ready? So they're quite big animals, aren't they? And they have a really long trunk. A really long trunk. I wonder if we could have our really long trunk that swings from side to side. There's a little special guest that's come to dance with me. You might be able to see him, you might not. But he's going to be dancing with me by my feet. So we've got a super long trunk and we're swinging around one way. Good. And we're swinging around the other way. Good job. So I might reach our trunk up nice and tall. Good job. Okay, good job everybody with your lovely elephant moves. And that was our the letter and elephant. Well done, good job. Let's shuffle them up. Shuffle them up, ready to go again. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, I dropped one. We'll do that one later. Ready, steady. What's this? Which is this one? What letter is this? Does anybody know? It's the it's the rocket. Well done. It's the sound. Good. It's the rocket. Now, I don't need to turn my card over for this one because I think we can do some super cool dance moves all about rockets. And I wonder if anybody knows how we might be able to start our dancing as a rocket. How can we start it? I wonder if we could crouch down as if we're a rocket ready to blast off. Crouching down and we're going to count. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Whoosh! Good job, keep it going! Whoosh! And landing on your new planet. Now, part of our rocket dance, you might find some aliens on your new planet. You might find some big, huge monsters on your new planet. There's a little monster running around my feet with 4 legs. Jump back in your rocket to be safe. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go home. Whoosh. Whoosh. Well done. Well done, everybody. That was our rocket. Good job. Well done. That was my favourite. I can already tell you now that that was my favourite from today. I wonder, I dropped one earlier. Shall I get it? Here we go. Right, our last letter for today. Ready? Steady. Shuffle. Let's try not to drop them this time. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Who wants to join in? Oh, that's all. He just wants to join in. Which one? This one. It's this one. It's the... Can you see? Which one is it? It's the hand. It's the hand. Good job. Now, we do lots of things with our hands. And we are going to do a super cool dance all about our hands. Now, you can have some twinkly hands. You can. You can have some big stretching hands. Big stretching hands. You could, what else could you have shaky hands, like shake, 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 shake. And you can do whatever you want using your hands. Now, are we ready? Please ready? Are you ready? Ready? I'm going to start with some big stretching. Big stretching. Big stretching. Good. Big stretching. Good. And I'm going to do some twinkly ones at the same time. Good. I might do some spinning. Good job. Keep it up. Let me see, how many different ways can you move your hands? So many. You could do like mine. Good. And we're going to come to a finish in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, everybody, that was our sound and the hand. Well done. So today we had our elephant. We had our rocket. And we also had our hand dancing. I'd really love to know what your favourite one from today was. I wonder what the dog's favourite one from today was. Okay, so we've finished our workshop today, and all we need to do is cool down and stretch our bodies. So, take a nice big deep breath in and out. Good. This time, as you breathe in, take your arms up high and down. Good. I want you to rub your hands together, and I want you to say thank you, arms. Good job, arms. Thank you, shoulders. Good job, shoulders. Thank you, chest. Good job, chest. Thank you, tummies. Good job, tummy. Thank you, backs. Good job, backs. Thank you, bottoms. Good job, bottoms. Thank you, legs. Good job, legs. Don't forget the back. Thank you, feet. Good job, feet. Good job, feet. Thank you, brains. Good job, brains. Thank you, whole body. Good job, whole body. Good job. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun. I hope you had a chance to everybody. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thank you. Bye. Should we say goodbye? Say bye.